you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Miriam, and for those of you who already know who I am, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be doing a home decor piece that is very special because it's actually for a very close friend of mine. It's her birthday and I decided to make this very nice piece for her to go in her living room. So I am about to head to the store right now to get all the products that I'm going to be using for the project. And this time I'm actually going to bring you guys along with me so you can see how I pick out items and which stores I go to and things like that, and what you would actually need to do this project yourself if you do decide to make this piece you know, in the future or in the near future or wherever. But it's raining outside, and I'll give you guys, oh please don't mind my Christmas tree. Yes, I still have it up, don't judge me, I will take it down. All my Christmas decor stuff is literally still up when I get a chance sometime soon. I don't know, before the year ends, hopefully. Fingers crossed, I'll take it out. But here is a what is it, the outfit view or whatever you guys call it. So scarf, hat, because it's raining. This here I got from Amazon and it's pretty good. Blazer, TJ Maxx, very minimal jewelry, jeans, and I don't have shoes on yet because we don't wear shoes in the house, but I will be wearing my rain boots. So let's go. Hey you guys, you already know I'm at Dollar Store, favorite store to buy everything that I need. So we're gonna pick some stuff out now. So I saw a pack of straws that I'm about to get. So you'll need one pack of these. They are $1, and I believe it comes with 150 in there to be exact. So that's a lot of straws, and you'll definitely have some left over when you use the project, when you do the project. So yeah, yep, 150. You're also going to need a mirror. You can get any shape that you want. I decided to pick this one up because it's a circle and I think it'll go very good with the idea that I have. You will also need a tray that you're going to use as the base. I decided to go with gold because I'm going with a gold theme. So I just got home and I'm about to actually start the project. I'm going to start with the plate and the straws, and I'm going to glue the straws to the back of the plate that I got with my hot glue gun. So this is what it's looking like after I finish gluing all the straws down around the plate. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my spray paint in gold, and I'm going to just spray paint everything. So this time around I was actually able to go outside and spray paint everything. It was so much easier. So when you're spray painting it, just make sure you get in between the straws so that none of the plastic parts are showing. You want to make sure that everything is covered in gold. Also spray paint the inside of the straw if you can when you go around the actual tray, and then also try to get underneath, because when it's hanging up you don't want it to look discolored, and you don't want the actual the straw's natural color to show or peep through when it's hanging on the wall. So I would even recommend when it's dry, flip it over and spray paint the other side as well, just to make sure that it doesn't show. So after everything is dry, you then move on to attach your actual glass to the decor. This is the piece that we picked up from the store earlier, and I'm just going to detach the actual glass from the frame. So you're just going to take it out, and I'm actually going to use a hot glue gun. I'm going to glue the back of the glass, and I'm going to place it right into the center of that. So honestly, you can just stop here and be done. It looks okay, but I didn't like how the mirror was just out and exposed. So I'm actually going to cover it by using my gems that I got from Dollar Store, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun to just try to cover it so it doesn't look kind of bare and bland. You guys already know I like to accessorize everything and bling everything out, so I'm just going to do just that, and I'm about to just bling this out a little bit more so it looks a little bit more fancier to my taste. Alright you guys, so here is the finished product. This is how it looks like hanging on the wall. You can't even tell that there's straws back there, to be honest, because you can't even see in the back of it. I think it looks really nice. I did hang it on my wall just so you guys can get an idea of how it looks when it's hung up. I'm going to wrap it up for my friend. But what I use to hang it up is the same technique that I used before in my other video. The poster that I did, I basically just put 2 strings, hot glued a string behind the picture, and then after it melted, it holds on tight, and then I just put it on a command strip on the wall. So that's what it looks like. So if you stuck with us for this long, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do subscribe to my channel.